How to add a circle on Live 360. First of all, make sure your app is up to date. Open Play Store or App Store and now tap search icon in search bar and type in Live 360 and check if an update is available for Live 360. If yes, then you need to tap on update button. And after that, tap open and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top, you will see the circle bar. Simply, you need to tap on it. And now here you can easily see your different circle. You need to select create a circle to add a circle on Live 360. So you can easily name your circle. Here are different suggestions as well. You can easily choose from the suggestions as well. So let's create our own circle name. For example, Atria. And after that, you need to tap on the plus button under suggestions. And here you can easily get an invite code after that. You can easily copy and share the invite code with your family or friends, or even tap send code and share via social media messaging app or email. So let's choose one of the app and send this invite code. After they get the invitation, they can easily open that invitation link and then be the circle member. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.